What is 4/5 of 7 slices of cake? So imagine you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 equal slices of cake. And you want 4/5 of that, 4/5 of 7. How much cake are you going to give that person? Out of those 7 cakes, you want to extract from that 4/5. So basically your task is taking 4/5 of 7. Now 4/5 of 7, one way of looking at it is like 4 groups of 7 divided into 5 equal portions. That's basically, you can look at it as that is a task that you've got to try to perform, to achieve. 4 groups of 7, 4 groups of 7, that's 28. All right. I say a group of 7, a group of 7, 14, a group of 7, 21, another group of 7, that's 28. 4 groups of 7, and you have to divide that 4 groups of 7, which is 28, into 5 equal portions. So visually, you can create 5 groups. Because of that 5, you want to divide by 5, you create 5 groups. That's 1 group right here. Remember, we want 5 of them to facilitate our division by 5. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. And 5. So here we have our 5 groups of 7. No, not 5 groups of 7, or 5 equal portions. Remember, it's 4 groups of 7 we want to divide by 5. 4 groups of 7 divided by 5. Okay. So now we're going to create our 4 groups of 7, or 7 groups of 4, if you want to put it that way. All right. So we can use the 4. 7 groups of 4 is the same as 4 groups of 7. So let's use 7 groups of 4. So we have, that's 1 group of 4, 2 groups of 4, 3 groups of 4. All right, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so that's 7 groups of 4. That's 28 right there. Okay, that's 8 and 8, 16, 22. All right, 22 and 20, 20 and 8, 28. Or you can say 4 groups of 7. It will come out to be the same. So if we have to continue, be consistent with our argument, our approach from the beginning, 4 groups of 7. We have our 5 portions. We're going to divide by 5, but we want 4 groups of 7. So that's 1 group of 7. That's 2 groups of 7. That's 3 groups of 7. That's 4 groups of 7. Okay, it's come to be the same. Now, we want that 4 groups of 7 to be divided by 5 into 5 equal portions. Here, this does not have any in it. This box doesn't have any, so this is not an equal division of 5, an effective, a satisfactory approach of dividing 4 groups of 7 into 5 equal portions. That's not a satisfactory achievement. So let us You can take 1 from this box, put it there, take another 1 from this box, try to divide in that amount into equal, put too much there. Okay, take out 1 there, take out 1 there. All right, 1 from this box. Let's put it there. 1 from this box. Let's put it there. So let's see how satisfactory are we? Okay, so let's just take 1 from this box. And put it there. So we have 5 here. We have 5 here. But here now we have 6, we have 6, and we have 6. Okay, so if we take out there and put in this box, then this box will have 6 and this box will have less. So what we have to do is to take out the extras. And as far as you can see, we're going to have in each of the 5 boxes, it appears that we're going to have 5. Because they have to have the equal amount. They've got to have the equal number of lines. So let's take out 1 there, put it outside. Let's take out another 1 and put it outside. So you can appreciate the attempt to divide 4 groups of 7 equally amongst 5. So each box, each of the 5 boxes end up having 5. There's 5 here, there's 5 here, there's 5 here, there's 5 here, there's 5 there, and you have 3 outside. So actually that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 3, 28. So here you have the maximum efficient approach of attempt, if you will, of dividing 4 groups of 7 into equal portions of 5. So let's see how much that gives us. So each of the 5 groups have 5. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 extras. So 4/5 of 7 appears to be 5. And the 3, that's 3 outside there, out of 5. So 4/5 of 7 is 5 and 3/5. Okay, so therefore now, if someone is asking, they want 4/5 of 7 slices of cake. So that will be equal to 5. So we want 5 let's equal 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 3/5, 3 out of 5. So what remaining to complete the correct amount is 3 out of 5. So as you can see, each of these slices are subdivided into 5 equal sub-slices, if you will. So I want 3 out of that 5 equal. So I can choose any 3, any one of them, and take from it 1, 2, 3. Okay, out of the 5. And that is the amount of cake that you're supposed to give that person. 5 whole slices and a fraction which is 3/5 of a whole. Okay, so that's the correct amount of cake you're supposed to give that person. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3/5. So therefore 4/5 of 7 is equal to 5 and 3/5.